Hey guys, welcome back to Lamilli Armory. Today I'm going to be looking at the CVLIFE BearMight series multi-reticle reflex sight. Alright, so the BearMight reflex sight is going to come shipped in this black and yellow CVLIFE box. And here are the specifications. So this is a direct mount with the RMSc, or the RMS footprint. There is an adapter for the RMR and MOS system, and also a Picatinny mount. There is an auto brightness mode or a manual mode. You have 2 night vision settings, 8 daylight settings, and 1 super bright setting. So you have the 2 MOA dot or the 36 MOA circle. It does have the motion awake technology, so if you don't move it for about 4 minutes, it's going to shut off, and then as soon as it detects any movement, it'll turn back on. And then the 5000G shockproof rating, which is really good, and anti-reflective coating, and then it is also IPX7 waterproof. And here are some of the specifications, and we'll definitely dive into that. So let's take a look inside. All right, so here on top we have our multifunctional wrench, and then also the wrench for the hood removal. And here is the user's manual for our BearMight reflex sight. Here's our catalog. There's the specifications, the product structure, and then everything included in the packaging. You have a lot of different screws, so it's definitely going to fit one of your slides. And then all the extras. And here's the battery installation, product installation, which I'll demonstrate. All the mounting compatibilities with the MOS system, illumination settings. Here are all the on and off and users adjustments. There's your reticle switching. So there they are. You have the red and the green. Windage elevation. It's recommended to 0 at 25 yards. And all your maintenance and care, troubleshooting, and warranty. Then here's our lens cloth. Then here is the Picatinny rail adapter. And here we have the reflex sight with a nice little cover. Keep out the dirt or the debris. And there's the hood. So it's going to protect your optic if it falls. And then this would just mount on top here if you wanted to use it on a Picatinny rail. Nice little reflex sight. And then here is the spacer plate. We also have the adapter plate for the Glock MOS and RMR. And here's all of the included screws. And they all have Loctite on them, which is really nice. And then if I can get these out, the batteries. Yeah, they're wedged in there. But you get 2 of them. So 2 of the, let's see, CR1632 batteries. It's nice that they give you a spare. And there's the organization of the packaging. Alright guys, let's take a closer look at the CVLIFE BearMight reflex sight. As I mentioned before, it does come with this awesome hood, just to protect the glass if you ever drop it. It's not going to hit directly on the glass. So it's already a robust system, and you're going to add this, or it is added, so it's going to prolong the life of the reflex sight. And on the right side, we also have a battery tray, which I prefer. I either like the top or the side tray. I feel the side tray is a lot more secure, in my opinion, and it does make for very easy installation of the battery. So I'm going to use this tool here and just unscrew just need a little more. All right, so that just pulls out just like that. And it wants the positive up on top. So I'm going to use the included battery. I love that they send spares. Just lock in place just like that. Just feed it in. Use the tool. There it is, nice and snug. So here's the plus minus button, so your brightness settings. So you have bright and dim. Turn that on. You see the dot there. Use my other camera so you can see the clarity. And then to turn it off, just hold the minus button. And you can see how clear the glass is. Alright guys, so here is the reticle. So right now it has the circle with the dot. And then if you hold the plus button here, you'll see that it changes. When you hold it once more, it'll change again. And you can also put it at the brightest setting, which that is. And then to decrease the brightness, you're just going to press the minus button here. Let's see that. Increase the brightness. And this also has an auto brightness setting. To activate that, you're going to press and hold the plus and minus button together for 3 seconds. You can see it flashing there. So now it's in manual mode. So there's the light sensor here. So depending on the brightness, it's going to adjust. So if I put my finger over it, you can see the brightness setting just dimmed. And then when I remove it, it's going to increase again. So it's actually a really neat feature. It's going to save you battery life as well. So when you're outside in the daytime, of course, it's going to be at the brightest. And then when you're using it in darker areas or at night, it's obviously going to be dimmed. All right, guys, so now let's go over the mounting demonstration. So again, I mentioned this is an RMSc footprint, so it's going to fit directly on top of an RMSc cut. So just like that. You can see you can co-witness with your sights, which is really important to have just in case the optic malfunctions or the battery dies. You can still use your iron sights. It's very easy to do. You're just going to have to find your exact screw size. For me, it is the M3.5, 10.5. All right, and I like the screws do come with some Loctite on there. So it's the blue Loctite. Keeps it from unscrewing itself after shooting. Use the provided tool. Get that nice and snug. you go. It looks really nice, guys. Side battery tray. So once the battery does die, but it does have a long life, you just unscrew that, pop the tray out, put in the battery, and you're good to go again. But there you go. You can see co-witness, and then you can also use the sight. Alright guys, so that was the CVLIFE BearMight multiple reticle reflex sight. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below. We'll see you guys on the next one.